Hey guys, welcome. And this is how to close Google Form responses. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course just simply go ahead and go to your Google Forms and just simply select one of your forms that you want to close. Now, from here, just simply go ahead and select publish on the top right corner of the screen. And from here, guys, you should be able to see here accepting responses. So make sure to toggle this off, guys, and now it will not accept responses anymore. And as you can see, you can edit the message over here. And let's say we're gonna click on edit, and we should be able to change the message that the responders will see. And from there, you can just simply click on save. And when we try to go on the form, let's say I'm gonna click on this and click on copy. And after that, let's say I'll go to the form. As you can see, they will see something like this. And that's simply about it. And when you go to your form editor, you can just simply click on manage over here and you can turn it on again if you like. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.